The extension of the lockdown in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya is one of the measures taken by the district administration to contain the spread of the COVID-19 virus amongst the population, especially those residing in Shillong city, where positive cases are at the highest in the state. During this period, the Health Department has been going on an aggressive vaccination drive for citizens of 45 years and above across the state. It may be mentioned that online registrations for those of 18 years to 44 years have also started, where a large number of young people had come forward to get themselves vaccinated against the virus. The COVID case update for the 16th of May 2021 saw 569 new positive cases, 19 deaths and 354 recoveries. The situation, though serious, can be controlled through public cooperation and adherence to the various government directives and protocols, where one of the best ways to break the chain of infection is to stay at home so as to protect ourselves and our loved ones. The district administration of East Khasi Hills has once again extended the lockdown in the entire district till the 24th of May 2021. Well, as you can see behind me, all the shops are closed. There is very little movement, and I guess people are actually staying put at home since this is a serious situation. Cases are rising for the past few weeks. Therefore, the government has no other way but to extend the lockdown to curb the spread of infection. A weekend lockdown has also been imposed in the other districts of the state of Meghalaya. Well, the Health Department has been working around the clock to enable citizens of the state who are 45 years and above to get themselves vaccinated against the novel coronavirus. And for those who are 18 to 44 years of age, the online registration process has reopened. So please go get yourselves registered for the vaccination. Well, we have no other way but to hope and pray that together we can work out to fight against this deadly virus. Together we can do it. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy, and abide and adhere to the strict protocols imposed by the government of Meghalaya. In Motpran with camera person Refulgent, this is Bethlyn Dakar for Media Plus Shillong.